Okay, as promised, we've got the salmon that's been smoking for, we did 250 degrees, and it's been right at 1 hour and 45 minutes. So kind of between 1.5 hours to 2 hours is how long you want to go. We'll take a look here. There's our finished product. And as I mentioned, you can take like the biggest part and just pull. As soon as I pull the fork, you can see how it flakes. That is absolutely done. You could also check by temperature if you wanted to and look for 145 degrees, which it's there. I checked it just a couple minutes ago. So we're going to take that off. It's time to eat. Make sure I don't have a platter handy. So the skin is on the bottom of the salmon. We're done with this, so we'll go ahead and shut the egg down. All that goes out. You can eat it hot just like this. You can also put it in the fridge, and cold smoked salmon is, some people even like it better. So we'll make one for the camera operator first, the way that it is intended to be made, with this lemon
caper sauce.
Lemon caper sauce, which is mayonnaise, sour cream. We did all that before. We don't have to go through that again. So I guess we put a little bit like this. I'm gonna try not to get any on my fingers. That look right?
Yes.
Then you just kind of pull some of your salmon. It'll pull right off the skin there. So you want to take some of this, put it on top. Now that's smoking hot. We might let that sit for just a second.
Oh no.
No? You
No, I want it.
I'll try and hand off the virtual bite.
Gotta go to the camera.
Okay, here it comes. Smoked salmon on the big green egg as promised. I'll take. And if there's any picky eaters out there. Dog wasn't fast enough for that one. Oh, that's good.
Delicious. Boy, we don't get to eat a whole lot on this quarantine thing.
I wear the apron not just to protect my stuff from getting dirty, but it's really not doing a good job of disguising the fact that we're putting on weight doing this. But it's worth it. Thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow at 1 o'clock.